What's up, YouTube? Miss Monkey 1 here, coming at you with another episode of the Diamond and Pearl Co-op Egglocke. In the last episode, we made it here to Pastoria City, and after checking... Okay, I apologize for that. Mom had some quick chores for me to do. So, I looked it up, and, Floatzel for Pastoria's gym. Wake's Floatzel is level 30. So, the only grinding that I will be doing after this will be for Draco, to get him up on par. Because I'm too lazy to use the rare candies and wait for it to do all that, so let's go. Let's actually, check out I forgot Pastoria had a Krogunk statue in here. Do we have any? We bought hyper potions up in Veilstone, didn't we? Yeah. Okay. Okay, what do you have to offer to us? Ooh. Let's get some quick balls. And let's go. I'm just trying to stall going to the gym because it seems we do that at the start of every episode I've done so far. But there's really no point, so let's just get this over with. And yes, I'm walking on purpose. And we're going to do what we usually do and just speed up the unimportant battles. This is Salad's domain. Salad and Sparks are going to just kick ass here. Okay, now I'm going to run. And we're going to battle this fisherman. And that's it. And then this guy, I think he has a freaking Wingle. Yeah. So we'll just body slam it. And Sparks. And we're just gonna kick ass. Ooh. Too sleep is this. And that's that. And there's that. If anyone's wondering, yeah, I kinda am trying to get a Salad to evolve before we take on Crasher Wake. Oh shit, I didn't even see it was Barboach, my bad. And then we have this last sailor. And that's that. Alright, so now that we've defeated all the gym trainers. It's just a matter of fighting him. And we are going to heal up Sparks and Salad because they are our aces for this gym. Excuse me. Welcome! I don't get challenged very often. The glory you are now beholding is the Pastoria City Gym Leader. That's right, I'm Crasher Wake. My Pokemon were toughened up by the stormy white waters. They'll take everything you can throw at them and then pull you under. Victory will be ours. Come on, let's get it done! I have a bit of a sore throat from playing with my 2-year-old niece. So, yeah, that voice just kind of hurt my throat a lot. Oh shit. Fuck! Sparks can take 2 Dragon Rages. Hopefully he doesn't have a Dragon Rage. Ooh, it missed. Thank you. And we're faster than the Gyarados. That's a relief. Yeah, I didn't feel like losing Salad. And Sparks is leveled up to level 32. Carnoxar, okay, we gotta go back to Salad. This battle has me feeling kinda anxious. Alright. Gonna just rage relief this bitch. Oh crap, it withstood. Oh crap. I knew he was gonna do that. Why didn't I take the chance to sense this? Oh yeah, this is why. And we leveled up. Sweet Scent is pointless. This is the one I'm nervous about. Let's try Sparks. We don't have speed. Shit. Okay, that's not bad. Please, one co. Oko. Please, dear God, please. Thank you, Lord! Woo! That was a tiny bit nerve-wracking. And we have an on-screen evolution for once. Most of our evolutions have been off-screen through grinding. So this is awesome. We have a first on-screen, I believe. This is our first on-screen evolution. We have a Meganium. Ooh, Pedal Dance. That was awesome. Okay. It seems that the Undertow pulled me under. But I had a great time battling with you. You've earned this. And we get the Fen Badge. You need that Fen Badge to use the hidden move Defog outside of battle. This is a special reward from me in recognition of your team's power. And we got Brine. Woohoo! So that battle was nerve-wracking, but it was easier than I was expecting it to be. And now that it's over, we have to go battle, shit. I don't remember if we battle Barrier or if we just battle that Rocket Grunt, or Galactic Grunt. Just gonna speed it up while we heal because I hate the animation. And I'm stupid. I should have given this to Draco during all those battles. Oh well. And we're just gonna speed this up because he's just gonna blah 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 blah. I need a moment, guys. I want to see something. Okay, so I found out what I needed to know. I just wanted to see who Barry leads off with, and he leads off with his Starly like I suspected, but I, wanted to be on the safe side. And here he is. Hello, Zach guy. And it's a rival battle, so I won't speed it up, except to get it to this point. Because, the animation process to get to the actual battle sequence is pretty damn long. And there goes his Starly. Draco is leveling up. We'll switch to Nihon. Everybody gets a cameo today. And Kitsune. And we beat him. And I really don't feel like voicing him, but you know what, if my fiance happens to come by on a day that I'm recording, he can voice himself. Uh-oh. So I'm thinking that no matter how far we get, I'm going to end this episode off when we reach Celestic Town. I don't consider the grand battles important, so I speed them up. Oh, hello. Long time no see. How is your Pokédex filling up? I came to research the folklore about the lake, but, well, it doesn't appear as if the lake is open to the public now. Have you heard the folklore about it? They say there's an island inside the lake. and inside that island is a mirage of a Pokemon. No one must enter the chamber of that Pokemon. Sorry to change the subject, but have you seen the group of Psyduck on Route 210? Yes, we have. Yes, that's right, by the cafe on Route 210. You've seen that group of Psyduck huddled with their heads in their, hands? Anyway, what you should do is use this medicine on the Psyduck. You're working on a Pokedex, so it would be worthwhile for you. And we get the secret potion. I went on a big adventure with a Pokedex when I was younger. I hope you get to meet every kind of Pokemon there is to see. It may help you with the secret of the Mirage Pokemon. See you later. So, in regards to roaming Pokemon, since most of the roamers are legendaries, I think I'm gonna bend the Egglocke rules a bit, just so that we can have these guys on our team, or as encounters to hatch more eggs. Any roaming Pokemon I will catch. I meant to fly to Selection. Oh, I got the. I didn't realize I never got that. Okay, so I love Staravia, but we're gonna take Starwing and we're gonna go find. Okay, he's in box 2. We're gonna deposit Staravia for now because I don't want to overload Staravia with HM moves. The only HM move I want that I want Starwing to have is Fly. So we're gonna just withdraw this Starly and make it our Fly and Defog slave. So now that we have our Fly H, now we have our little HM slave. Oh good, you used the secret potion I gave you. Psyduck are known to suffer from chronic headaches, but no one's been able to figure out what triggers the headaches. Oh yes, can I ask you a big favor? I want you to deliver this old charm to my grandmother in Celestic Town. I know that there are some rare Pokemon between here and Celestic Town, so it will be worth your while to go. And this is still Route 210, so we already have our encounter here. Just want to get out of this grass. Fuckity brick fuck fuck. Kill the mother frickin'. Thank you. And I never checked out Draco's moveset. So let's go. I'm curious. What is it? It's an adamant with Earthquake, Dragon Rush, and Outrage. And once it evolves and we can get Draco Meteor, it's gonna be a little powerhouse. Okay, we don't get any new encounters at all for a while. And we made it here to Celestic Town. And this episode is just under 10 minutes shorter than what I usually have it at, so that's not too bad. It gives us something to do before we go take on Hearthome. So, gonna end it here, guys. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like. Comment some nickname ideas. Comment what I can do to improve. I haven't had any deaths this episode, which makes me happy. I almost lost sparks. And subscribe if you want to catch the next episode, you guys. Thanks again, and peace.